Let's have a quick moment to touch on the list styles. So during the review, which was sort of more of a preview actually, um, on the UL we have taken the bullets off by saying list style type none. There are other things that you can do with list style type. I'm going to do one here so you can see the hints. So there's all kinds of different things you can do. Some of these are more appropriate to OL's ordered list. That would be things like decimal, decimal leading zero, where you have numbers already. Some of them are more appropriate to unordered lists, like circle, disc, square. So if, for example, if I choose this square and hit enter or semicolon and save and go and refresh in the browser, I can see squares show up. It's a little hard to see in here because they look a lot like bullets. If I were to choose circle, this will be the open circle if I refresh, so that's a little bit easier to see here. As you can see, the last style wins. So it set it to none, then it set it to square, then it set it to circle. I'm going to put this comment over here because that's what this is doing. There's also some different things you can do with list style. There's list style image and list style position, which deals with the image. I am going to totally gloss over these because in practice you hardly have any control over the positioning of your background image on LIs if you do it using list style. So no, it's rare to find it in use. If you want to have your own personal special bullet for each list item, just make it a background image on the LI, because then you can perfectly position it the way you want. You don't have that kind of control with the list style image and list style position, so I would suggest that you don't use them if you want that kind of control.